Yeah, g'day guys. Here's a quick video of how I do my onboarding for my clients. So I'll log into my back office and I'll hit add client, right? So this client's going to be called Ocean Needs Plumbing. Right, so we'll go here. Got their Google profile up. So we want to do that. So copy their name, put their name in, language, English. I only put their email and name in if I'm going to give them access straight away. If I'm not giving them access, it's just a demo. Then we come here and we'll go to Ocean Edge. We go to desktop. We'll find their logo and we set add client. Okay, so that client's now set up there. Now the next step, we go to view account. We want to make sure we've got some good things going on here. First, these go to integrations. Now, you can integrate them publicly. So you can go integrate here. I've got access to this account, so I would do login. If it's public, you would just search for their business name here, and that would come up. So we go login access, login with Google. Click my account. Now here, and then here there'll normally be some permissions you need to text here, like 4 services, right? Which are these ones. They could be tick boxes. So you tick them, and that allows the software to talk back and forward. And then we look for the location. So in this case, I'll type in Oceans Edge Plumbing, and we go integrate to Google. That's now done. The same would be for Facebook if you connect in their Facebook. If it's TripAdvisor, for example, for a restaurant, you'd look for their TripAdvisor profile. So in this case, I'll use another restaurant because this is a plumbing service. So Florentina's Tutoria, and we'll see down here TripAdvisor, and then I would go to reviews. Then we grab this URL there, copy that, and then you come back to your software, and you go integrate there, and copy paste, and that would put TripAdvisor in there. That would bring in TripAdvisor reviews. You can't respond to TripAdvisor reviews in the software, but you can integrate it so they'll come through the feed and they can push reviews to TripAdvisor. So this can't, delete that because we don't need it. Now we go, next one is to review link. And you'll see, because we put the logo in already, it's already pulled their logo in here. So the only thing we want to do here is we want to edit, positive experience, and we want to go, yep, we're going to Google. Do we want video testimonials or not? Or do we want private feedback? So in this case, we want private feedback. We don't want video testimonials, so turn that off, turn that on, press connect. That's all done, right? So that's all good there. Now we want to look at the desktop image. So this is the image. If you go back here, desktop image there, we want to change that to one of their images. Let's say beautiful bathroom. Tick that. Done, right? Don't want to do that. Now we just go back. So now if we hit visit link, just to check everything, this is what they'll see on a desktop. And obviously you got 1 to 5 stars. Will take us to Google. Always test it. And I'm an admin of this page, so hence why it won't come up for the review, because I'm already an admin. But traditionally that pop-up would come up. Okay. Private feedback will just be private feedback. So that's how that works there. But that's that client pretty well set up. Now, if you the QR code for that client will be in the Get Reviews area. That's here. So you can download that QR code and then obviously give them some artwork pre-done. We've got links for pre-done templates and things like that. Or if you've got your own graphics person, you can do that too. So that's how I onboard them there. If they've got a website and they want to display the reviews, you can just go to the website widget. They don't have any reviews yet because it's a brand new profile, but we would give that link to their web developer. Just copy that link, give it to the web developer, and that would be like a carousel style connection there. And then obviously down here, you've got their locations, integrations, which are any other platforms they want to integrate to, business users. Okay, so if you want to add them later, you can add them here, as the owner and put their name and their email and the language, and they'll be sent a custom invite to the platform with the unique password. Social sharing, this is where you can connect their Facebook and Instagrams, and they can share reviews onto their social. But that's how I onboard them. It's very quick, it's very easy, and it's very simple. It's a quick step-by-step process, so nice and simple and easy.